Matip ngayon pulih na hay. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki news nam tam. Ya kitu bosong Ribhoi. Kumamia.
Wat mundur li min em temian mea. Nam kum ka ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Mea kertang complete. Tambah jing em jong ma incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kum si Bynta ban Pynkhreh ya ka parti na ka Bynta ka election ka bansa long house nam arajar arpupra ha ka jilla Meghalaya ka BJP Ribhoi district ha kan riu tarik urampang arajar apun riu kala Plie ba ya ka Ophis Treikam bapura ha ka Shnong Nongpo. Ya kani ka Ophis Treikam jong ka parti la Plie da state president Treikam G Mumin ringkat ka jiadon lang state general secretary uba one kid bok poshna ka State Secretary ka Kong Daniela L. Nonglan, District President ka BJP Ribhoi, Uba Sen Thaba, ki Mandal President na ki constituency, lembat ki Nongtrey jong ka party.
So let me dedicate this one to our party. I think everyone has given their speeches, but I want to keep this opportunity to discuss with you all. I think I will just lecture and I'll go. That doesn't make much valuable. Instead of that, I want to discuss with all the mandals, whether they are from Nompo, Jirang, whichever the mandal. Let's start discussing about 2028 more. Because if I keep on lecturing, that lecture will go on in this room only. So please give me suggestion how to bring up this Ribhoi district and we get our own MLA. So from today, let us start thinking. Now you start giving me the suggestion how to bring up a good candidate, how to bring up a good party leaders. We have a very good leaders with us, a very talented leaders with us. But why our party is not growing? That also we have. I need a suggestion from you. We are nothing behind any other party. We are nothing behind, we are not behind NPP. Everyone is scared for NPP. Why should we scared of NPP? It is only we doesn't work. Everyone think that NPP paisa wala hai, they will buy us. But if we can explain to our people the work which BJP has done to the poor of the poorest. Our Prime Minister, who has given us such a good scheme to us, that also we can do. We can start with that also. Without money, we can at least explain to the people. And let us groom a good people, groom a good leader. Whatever seat we have, the difficulties organizing this Ribhoi district. Our district president has done a good job with his team. I congratulate him. Of course, we have other different groups also, what you call a factional group. A factional group should not be there and I will not accept any factional group. Because I myself always believe in one party. We have to be, everyone together. There should not be a second BJP. There will be only one BJP. As long as I am state president, the district committee will be as it is. I am not going to change it. So, my dear friends, please remember this. As long as Treikam movement is here, the district committee will be there in case if something has to be changed, I will discuss with the district committee and I will do it. So, my friend, there is no other place to be, there is no room at all to be go against our own party. If somebody goes against the party or against individual, he or she will be against party, and he will be called anti-party activist. So, my dear friends, this is my strong word from my side. As long as I am president, let us build up the party more.